Hey everybody, welcome back to the Plane Window. Last week, Delta Airlines quietly said goodbye to a true legend in its fleet, the oldest wide-body aircraft it has ever operated, a Boeing 767-300ER, tail number N171DN. After nearly 36 years of loyal service and over 150,000 flight hours, this hard-working jet flew its final revenue flight on April 9th, then one last short ferry the next day before heading off to retirement. I have to admit, the 767 has always been one of my favorite aircraft to fly. I love that classic 232 configuration in economy. It gave almost everyone a window or aisle seat with only one dreaded middle seat per row. That layout is becoming much less common on transcontinental flights these days, and I really miss it. I flew this aircraft type many times on the Atlanta to West Coast routes, and it always felt comfortable and reliable. Let's take a look at the remarkable story of this aviation workhorse. N171DN first took to the skies on its maiden flight on the 22nd of April 1990, right out of Boeing's factory. Just a few weeks later, on the 9th of June 1990, it was delivered brand new to Delta Airlines. From day one, it wore the same registration and flew exclusively for Delta, never changing airlines, never switching registrations. That kind of loyalty is rare in commercial aviation. In its early years, this 767 spent most of its time on long-haul international routes, helping connect passengers across oceans and continents. As the years went by and newer, more efficient aircraft joined the fleet, Ship 171 transitioned into more transcontinental and domestic duties. It became that reliable workhorse that Delta could always count on. By the time it retired, Ship 171 had accumulated more than 150,000 flight hours and roughly 22,000 cycles. To put that in perspective, most wide-body aircraft are retired somewhere between 80,000 and 120,000 hours. This jet blew way past that mark, proving just how durable the Boeing 767 platform really is when it's properly maintained. It even spent a short time in storage during the height of the pandemic, from early 2020 to spring 2021, before returning to service and keeping on flying strong. Its final revenue flight came on the 9th of April 2026, Delta Flight DL715, from San Francisco to Atlanta. It touched down in Atlanta just before 10 p.m. that night, one last trip home to Delta's main hub. The very next morning, on April 10th, N171DN took off for its true final flight, a short ferry from Atlanta to Birmingham, Alabama. Reports say it had just enough hours left in the tank to make that last hop. Once it landed in Birmingham, it rolled straight toward a dismantling facility near the airport, where it will be parted out. This retirement is part of Delta's bigger plan to phase out its older Boeing 767 fleet by 2030. The airline is replacing them with more fuel-efficient, next-generation aircraft, like the Airbus A350 and A330neo. While it's always bittersweet to see classic jets go, it's also exciting to watch airlines modernize their fleets for a more sustainable future. Delta Ship 171 may not have had flashy retirement ceremonies or water cannon salutes, but it quietly carried millions of passengers across the globe for more than 3.5 decades. From long international hauls in the 90s to reliable domestic runs in its later years, this plane was the definition of a dependable workhorse. So here's to Delta N171DN, a quiet legend that proved the Boeing 767 could go the distance, and then some. So, what do you think? Sad to see the old 767s heading into retirement, or excited for Delta's newer wide bodies? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know if you've ever flown on one of Delta's 767s. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more aviation stories, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Plane Window.